So what we did here is to hang 20 projectors from the ceiling of our venue. Then we project onto our 10 meters high na video wall. And because these images are big, they look real. So whatever is in your imagination, you can make it real here in Matrix Creation Events venue. So aside from this one, we have this grand staircase going down. If you imagine the height of this air conditioning unit, compare it with the height of the wall, so you'll see the comparison. Okay, right now I'm at the main event hall. So ganun po siya. So right now we have an archive of 300 to 400 sceneries. So you can choose and use as many as you like during your event. So different part of your program, you can have different sceneries. You can change the time of the day, the ambience, the design. It can be real pictures, it can be imaginary. It can be fictional, it can be video. Okay. We can also play same day edit, save the date video, growing up video. We can play any video that you give to us as long as there's no editing needed. Here. So ang size po ng video natin parang sinihan po ang size. Okay, so this is Matrix Creation Events venue. So another special amenities that we have is the VIP room. So let's go up again. Here's the VIP room. It's inclusive when you rent the venue. We have the makeup table here. It's very long, so you can fit 3 people. Okay, this is a bed. And in this VIP room, we have their dedicated washroom. Okay. This is the VIP room again. So next time you need a venue, you're looking for a venue, please visit us, Matrix Creation Events venue, where imagination becomes reality.